De Lorenzo is a company who produces technical solutions for engineering schools as even technical centers. The company is based in Milan. We have 55 employees, for which 20% come from foreign countries. We have discovered the CDP business matching through the CDP team. We've been in touch with the Social Enterprise Ghana through CDP business matches.
My name is Edwin Zu-Cudjoe, and I work as Executive Director for Social Enterprise Ghana, Ghana's national network of more than 1,000 social enterprises operating across the country in diverse sectors including climate-smart agribusiness, inclusive financial service, education and training, circular economy and green. And we have a staff strength of 22, supporting develop the ecosystem through policy engagements, advocacy, research and training. We were so happy to be part of the CDP Business Matching platform. What I found very impressive are the many diverse Italian businesses that one can find on that platform. The Lorenzo Global Company is one of them.
The matching became very interesting, very fruitful, being our entities completely acting as a partner, because we can really match our knowledges with their knowledges.
We have been interacting to see how they can support and supply our 10 training centers with top-notch, high-value Italian training equipment. We are happy about the CDP Business Matching platform for it making it very impactful, impressive, and very useful and relevant to Ghana's context.
The platform is very user-friendly. It's allowed us to communicate easily, faster, and in a more fruitful way. I would recommend it because companies like De Lorenzo that already been present in 140 countries can increase their presence in many other countries too. With SEG, we have so many other projects that we wanted to achieve, so I think that the ongoing project will help us to increase the future ones.
We are grateful to you, and we believe that our partnership will be very much impactful and will be very much helpful to the many young people that we are providing training to improve on their businesses and employability.
So goodbye, and we look forward to many successful collaboration together.
Thank you so much, and we are grateful to CDP Business Matching Platform.